If you are encountering the Ola app error unable to add rider, there is no owner profile in the scooter. To fix the Ola cab app error unable to add rider. There is no owner profile in the scooter. Follow these steps. 1. Make sure that the scooter owner has created a profile in the Ola app. If the owner does not have a profile, they will need to create one before they can add riders. 2. Check that the scooter owner has added your mobile number to their profile. Once the owner has added your mobile number, you will receive an invitation to join their profile. 3. Accept the invitation to join the owner's profile. Once you have accepted the invitation, you will be able to book rides on the owner's scooter. If you are still unable to add a rider, you can contact Ola customer support for assistance. Here are some additional troubleshooting tips. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Ola Cab app installed. Restart your phone and try again. Check your internet connection and make sure that you have a strong signal. Try logging out of the Ola app and logging back in. Clear the Ola app's cache and data. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still unable to add a rider, please contact Ola customer support for further assistance. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.